Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying the DVR model and current firmware. That tells you which update file to use. Once done, backup recordings and settings to a USB drive or network share so nothing is lost. Next, download the official firmware for your model or copy the vendor-provided update file onto a FAT32 USB stick. Make sure the DVR has stable power and network access. Interrupted updates can brick the unit, so plug in a UPS if available. You'll now perform the install. Insert the prepared USB or open the DVR's web interface and go to Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Firmware Update. Then select the update file, and if a checksum is supplied, verify it to ensure file integrity. This prevents corrupted installs. Start the update and watch the progress bar. Do not reboot or unplug the DVR while flashing. If prompted, agree to any prompts and let the device complete file extraction and validation. This can take several minutes. Once the DVR reboots, verify the firmware version in System Info and restore settings or recordings if they were moved. This confirms a successful update. Then run a channel scan and test scheduled recordings, live playback, and remote access to ensure all functions operate correctly. If the update fails or the unit is unstable, attempt reflashing from a freshly downloaded file, try reverting to the original firmware, perform a factory reset as a last resort, and contact vendor support with the error code.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.